Today I'm showing you a mesh stitch that I use for some of my crochet garments because it's quite nice and firm. It's actually a multiple of 4 stitches plus 2, and I've got 14, and it's a 3-row repeat, 2 rows of UK doubles or US singles, then a row of UK trebles with chains, and that's US doubles with chains. So we've got 2 rows of DCs, 1 row of trebles and chains, 2 rows of DCs, 1 row of trebles and chains. And I've started again with 2 rows of DCs there. And now I'm going to show you how to do row 3. So I've started off with 3 chain. You could use a standard stitch if you prefer for your first treble. So into the second stitch, I'm working a UK treble or a US double. Then I'm working 2 chains, and I am skipping 2 stitches, and then I'm working trebles again into the next 2 stitches. And I keep repeating that. So 2 chain, skip 2 stitches, 2 UK trebles or US doubles. Two chain, skip 2, 2 UK trebles. And there we are. Now we need to do 2 rows of UK doubles or US singles. So we start with a chain 1 and just start working those stitches in each stitch. But when we get to the chains, we don't work into each chain, we just work 2 into the chain space to keep the stitch count the same. So there we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we carry on like that across that row, and then we do another row of DCs, UK DCs or US singles, and then we work the treble row again. Hope you like it.